Hi everyone, this is Julia from The Curly Girl Creates. This video is a follow-up to my last video on how to make gnome shoes. A lot of you are asking me how I attach my legs to the shoes. So let's get started. First, I make my body. I put 2 dowels into the form. I am using an egg. This is a 6-inch styrofoam egg. And I already put the dowels in there. I'm going to glue them in. Using my hot glue gun. Make sure they're nice and secure. Okay, after I've done that, I put the pants on or the clothes, whatever you're going to use. I make sure that goes on first, because after you put your dowels in the shoes, it's very difficult to get the clothes on. Okay, so now that the pants are on, I just roll them up a little bit because I don't want to get glue on my pants. Then I take my shoes and I make little squares out of styrofoam and I glue it to the bottom of the shoe. Just place it in the bottom there. And then you are going to put your dowels into the styrofoam. Okay, and just add a little bit of glue so that they stay in. Okay, and now I add some rice into the shoe. I just fill it with rice. Fill each shoe with rice. And this will add weight to the shoe. Just level it off. Okay. And then I add glue. I just pour the glue right over it. Like that, and just let the glue dry. Then after the glue is dried, you can let down the pants and then dress your doll. I am going to make a doll, not a gnome. So if you want to know how I make my doll, stay tuned. I will make another video to show you how I attach everything and make a doll. Thanks for watching. You can log on to my Facebook page or my Instagram. It's located at the bottom of this video in the description. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.